Lemon and salt. How to stop a headache, migraine, with lemon and salt recipe. Lemon and salt are not typically used as a remedy for headaches, and there is limited scientific evidence to support their effectiveness in treating headaches. However, some people believe that the combination of lemon and salt can help alleviate headaches, possibly due to the electrolyte-balancing properties of salt and the potential anti-inflammatory properties of lemon. It's important to note that headaches can have various underlying causes, and a persistent or severe headache may require medical attention. If you still want to try this home remedy, here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 fresh lemon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water. Instructions: squeeze the juice from the fresh lemon into a cup. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the lemon juice. Pour 1 cup of warm water into the cup. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until the salt is dissolved. Drink the mixture slowly. Remember, while some people may find relief from headaches using natural remedies like this, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you frequently suffer from headaches or if your headaches are severe or accompanied by other concerning symptoms. They can help identify the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatments.